everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our previous episodes you should have seen our journey from Toronto to London and from then London to Liverpool and Manchester. So right now we are en route to Glasgow in Scotland, and the weather is amazing, the British countryside and sheep everywhere in both the sides of the motorways. It's amazing to drive through. Hope you will enjoy our Scotland episodes as well. So let's get started.
तो यहाँ पर सर्विसेज बोलते हैं. तो इट्स अ स्टॉप, यू कैन टेक अ ब्रेक, एंड दिस सर्विसेज हैज एन ऑसम व्यू. Right now we are in the middle of England and Scotland, getting the petrol. Here we call it petrol, not gas like in North America. So after that we'll continue our journey. So let's go. So here we have to put the petrol first. Then we can go inside
And pay.
This road is insane. I can't explain the feeling which I'm getting right now. Means this is too good to be true. No words. Where's the parking?
It's just the retail car park down there. Okay, so if you just stay to the left, and then when you go around the roundabout again, stay to the left, and then once you've parked there, if you fill your registration details, and it'll cover you for the free parking during the stay.
Great. Okay. So maybe we can keep our luggages here and do the parking and then
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah.
So for staying in Holiday Inn Express, the parking is just beside there. We do have a shopping complex. So their parking they are using, it's free of cost. We just have to provide our details inside the reception. Fourth floor.
So welcome to our room in Glasgow at Holiday Inn Express. This is an IHG hotel, and once we enter, this is a mirror and open cupboard, coffee and tea stuffs, a kettle. Then on our right is the washroom. It's pretty nice and clean. It's a shower area. This is a double-sized bed. Here is the heater. This is a work desk, just neat. A sofa which can be turned into bed. If you're a family of 3, you can opt for this room as well. And we got our room right in front of the road. Currently it's all dark. Hopefully in the morning we will have some nice view of the mountains.
So in Glasgow we came for dinner in Nando, and it's very cheap. Thank you.
Enjoy.
So our first food in Scotland. Wherever we are traveling, every time it's getting better. So it's really good.
Guys, that's not bad. Okay, excuse me, guys.
There are so many flavors. It's like our head is bursting with flavors. Spicy. In the peas they have pudina, the tangy, peri masala. So many flavors.
And so they have their spice levels in Nando. So we opted for the extra hot or extra spicy. I mean the topmost level. So it's really spicy. but good for Indian taste buds who like spicy, otherwise they will cry.
address. The breakfast is included. So we are having our breakfast. Then we'll go to the city. Good morning everyone. Right now we are in Pollok Country Park.
So this country park is famous for its highland cows, which is like highland goose. We are very excited to see the cows here.
So right now we are roaming in this Pollok Park. This is a huge park and we are searching for the cows.
I don't know how filthy rich are the Pollok family.
We are going towards the Pollok House and Gardens. So let's see if there we get or not.
Hey, cows!
Oh, okay. Sure.
We were just talking about that in back home in Kolkata, India. There are no values of farms and cows and everything, and here people come, pay.
Yeah, pay for the parking. 2.50 pounds at the parking.
For 4 hours.
4 hours.
There is no entry fee to the park.
So inside the park they have the free e-shuttle. So if you want to roam here and you don't want to walk, it's a huge park, you can take the free shuttle and just see the scenery. So we were almost lucky to see the highland cows, but unfortunately the cows were the same side where the dog police station is there. So there are so many dogs, police dogs. So we can't go inside, no public access is there. So we have to go around and check on the other side. Let's see. So this is the house of Pollok. So we parked our car in Glasgow city centre. Now the first stop in the city centre is University of Glasgow.
So welcome to the University of Glasgow. This huge neo-Gothic architecture is a classical masterpiece of the British architecture in itself, and it has been founded in the year of 1451, and it is the 4th oldest university in the English-speaking world. University of Glasgow is considered as one of the prestigious university. There's a very low percentage of seat selection here and is one of the top 100 universities in the entire world.
So today I think they have a graduation ceremony. Everybody.
Yeah, it looks like everybody is wearing their graduation gowns.
See, this is the university. We are in the square of the university. Everywhere. Awesome.
Our next stop is the Glasgow Cathedral, which was built in the year of 1197.
The main entrance is that way and the last entry is 3:30 p.m. Okay, that place it might be a cemetery.
this cathedral in Glasgow is the oldest cathedral in all over Scotland and is the oldest building in entire Glasgow.
This is the city council building and they are having a Christmas celebration.
We are currently at George Square in Glasgow, which is the principal civic square in the city, and this has been opened in 1781. And one quick update on our Airbnb of Liverpool stay. Those of you who didn't know what happened in our Liverpool Airbnb, a link will be coming here. Please go and watch it, how horrible it was. Not the episode, the stay. And those who already know, so the current update is
I complained to the Airbnb. I gave them all detailed images, all the trash and everything. After that, Airbnb support team, they were so kind and they just cancelled our both of days booking. Although we just left that Airbnb after that night, it was cold freezing, and we went to and check in a different hotel in Manchester.
So everything has been sorted out from our side, and thank you so much to the Airbnb support team who has really helped us for a quick resolution. We have got our entire refund of the 2-night stay in Liverpool, as well as we got a $50 credit which we can use within 1 year. And we have also requested the Airbnb team to remove that listing from their portal so that whatever happened with us, nobody else faced that, and hopefully they will remove it. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this end, and we hope that you have enjoyed our Glasgow episode. And from Glasgow, right, tomorrow morning we'll be checking out, and our initial plan was to drive to Edinburgh, but the plan has changed a bit right now. We will be driving further north to a small little town in the Highlands of Scotland. We are looking for accommodations in booking.com and Airbnb right now. So stay tuned for the next episode to watch where we are actually going up north in Scotland, and keep watching and supporting us and enjoy this UK series.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification of our whole series. Till then,
Follow them, Prince. Here the cows are.
how's that? We are in London,
We
Scotland.
are not in London.
We are
in Scotland.
Scotland.